Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start designing apps with Appy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit Appy's website and create an account. Choose the Create Your App option to get started. Select a category that fits your app idea. Pick a design template that appeals to your vision. Customize the app's name and icon to match your branding. Use the drag and drop editor to add features to your app. Explore the various tools provided for different functionalities. Add pages that include text, images, and videos to enrich the content. Incorporate social media links to enhance user engagement. Preview your app frequently to see changes in real time. Test the app using the Appy mobile previewer tool. Make adjustments based on your testing experience. Add push notifications to keep your users engaged. Ensure your app is optimized for different devices and screen sizes. Once satisfied, explore the option to publish your app. Follow the prompts to submit your app to platforms like Google Play and the App Store. Monitor the app's performance through the provided analytics tools. Regularly update your app based on user feedback and analytics data. Stay updated on new features and enhancements offered by Appy. Continue learning about app design to improve your skills further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.